How to categorize email in Microsoft Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily categorize mails in your Microsoft Outlook. So let's dive right in. Open up your Outlook and then go to one of the mail that you want to categorize. And then in the ribbon bar on the right hand side, you'll see the categorize option. Categories applied to a conversation will be applied to all current and future items in the conversation. So just tap on it. And if there are some default categories already set, then you can choose from it. Otherwise, you can tap on new category and then set up a category. You can put in as important and then put in the color of your choice and then just hit save. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.